How to highlight body parts and muscles on Capcut PC. I show you two options to highlight specific body parts. One is for free and one requires the pro version of Capcut. They are a little bit different, so choose the one which fits the best for you. Let's start with the free one. After uploading your fitness clip, find the video moment where you want to highlight the muscles or body parts. Press the small icon called freeze to generate a 3-second long freezed image out of that video moment. You can grab the image and make it shorter if it's too long. After that, click on the image, duplicate it and move it right on top of the other clip. Click on the duplicated image and then on mask. Here you can choose a shape which fits the best for the body part you want to highlight. The circle can cover many muscle groups because of its shape. Change feather from 0 to 3 to get soft edges. All you need to do now is spotting the muscle or body part you want to highlight and make it fit in its shape. Under adjustment you can play around with colors. I like to just increase the saturation to give it a natural skin look. Just copy the duplicated picture and move the mask to the other side to cover the symmetric muscle groups you want to highlight. To create fade in and out we use keyframes, which means we are creating some kind of sensor points which can save different adjustments or movements between those markings. Starting with 0 opacity at the first keyframe, going up to 100 at the second keyframe, then back to 0 to make it look professional. Also flickering is possible if you use more keyframes or even effects. You can find and add arrows from the sticker library on Capcut to point on the body parts or animate them in and out if you want. Let's check what is possible with the pro version to highlight body parts. Same process to spot the video moment and to freeze the image. After duplicating and moving the image on top of the main video, we use BG remover to mark the person with a quick brush tool. Now we use the erase feature to delete or remove all parts we don't want to highlight. Click on apply and now you can also use keyframes to make fade in and out effect. Both versions in comparison. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.